Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I explain about kinds of transaction in Islam, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tandria Octaviana, student number 92. I'm student of Trunajaya University of Madura, Faculty of Agriculture, Agribusiness Department. This video is great to fulfill the final exam of Sharia Economic and Business. The first, I will explain about murabaha. Murabaha is contract sell by on goods certain, wherein buy and sell the seller mentioned with clear goods for sale by it including price per case and profit taken. Next, I will explain about scheme contract of murabaha. Customers submit application for procurement goods and the bank did observation about appropriateness customer. If application customer accept, the bank does transaction sell by credit with customer. Customer paid down payment, the rest will paid with method in installment during range time set by the bank. Bank buy goods to the dealer cash and direct deliver to customer. After goods sent, customer upgrade paid installment to the bank. Banks get profit from difference among dealer price with the price of customer. Next, the second, I will explain about asalam. Asalam is contract sell by goods order with delivery in the future day by seller and the payment conducted by buyer on moment contract created in accordance with terms sustained. Next, about scheme contract of asalam. Explanation on schematic above by symbol is existent to the part who will transact, that is seller and buyer. Seller as A and buyer as B. B will buy product in the form of tractor. Because tractor then can provided by direct moment so that B does contract regards to A. B explained by specific the tractor he want after agree tractor the made on the time that has been determined for solve, so tractor the send to the A. Next, the third is istisna. Istisna is contract sell by form, cooking making goods certain with criteria and requirements certain agreed. Among order and seller, object or good istisna always goods that must be produced. The seller must produce goods ordered more formally new after the seller sell it to buyer. Next, about the scheme contract of simple istisna. For example, buyer to custom wardrobe purchase to manufacture. When buyer already order a custom wardrobe in accordance with desired specification, next will occur negotiation and contract istisna. In negotiation and contract istisna, we'll discuss relate goods that, like specification, desired item, and system payment. Then producer will produce goods. When goods already, then producer will send goods to buyer and buyer will accept goods that. And then scheme contract of parallel istisna. On the picture could send that there are two lines both. For lines colored blue is istisna first, while line color red is istisna the second. Flowan istisna the first, that is customer go to Islamic bank for booking making goods in the form of home. Then carry on is step first A, that is step negotiation and contract among customer and Islamic banks. When customer already to do negotiation, then enter on step istisna the second one, namely Islamic bank will order host to producer and here will occur negotiation and contract istisna. Then when Islamic bank already to do negotiation and we will producer, then return on istisna the first, that is on stage 2A, customer will pay host with system payments that have been agreed. When stage 2A and 2B already done, the carry on to the stage 3A, producer will send goods to customer in connection order item is host, then what is given to customer that it will think and prove ownership. Next, the fourth is court. Court is give loan to others who can build or return quite without expect reward in skeleton help. In other words, money loan the return like beginning without addition or subtraction in the return. About scheme contract of court, customer submit application court and then the bank analyze application customer. If application approved, an approval call conducted in a contract court, executor needs or business, banks provide 100% loan to customer and customer only as a member of skill enabled debt. In financing has to the loan required returned by customer and payment return could conducted by installment or add-ons. Besides that, profit on finance business 100% owned by customer. Okay, next the fifth is Rohan. Rohan is withhold goods guarantee that is theory owned by borrower as guarantee or the loan he received an item receive the word economy. So that the dining part obtains guarantee for the return whole or part the debt from goods pawned mean when the pawning part no call the pay debt on specified time. And then about scheme contract of Rohan. On scheme contract of Rohan, customer pawned the item to the bank. Then the bank assess goods pawned the for determined quantity possible financing got by customer. Then customer get financing in accordance with deal. And then the last is wadiah. According to the cleric fakih, wadiah character trust no damana, so that if occur damage, then no is not quite enough answer the entrusted part except if damage caused because interested part. Wadiah including in contract baru that is purposeful contract for each other. And then about scheme contract of wadiah damana, from money paid on contract wadiah damana and the bank gets profit that must share. Well, as explained previously in on contract wadiah, no bank have right for gift bonus. However, in general the bank provide profit, yes, gift or bonus for customer by volunteer. When seen from schematic above, so deposit goods or asset playing by bank on something later effort from effort the produce intended profit special for bank. Bank's decision for give a bonus or no, so that depends from the bank's policy alone. That's all from me. I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.